Good evening, everyone. As you can watch the market, this is the current hottest stock right now. The stock name is called Tesla. It is the most hottest stock. Why? Because the stock has risen so much on valuation when Elon Musk is opening the China factories, and also the stock has so much buyers. Can you see, guys? The stock gap up. It went through some kind of a no sellers situation, and it just rose higher and higher. As it rose higher and higher, I realized Tesla gap up, experienced a long bar, and then suddenly the sellers just piling up right here, this two bar. The sellers were just piling up, and in the 5-minute charts, this is how it looked like. It came all the way down, it gapped down, it recovered near the supply zone. Can you see it gap down here? It recovered near the supply zone here, and it started to tank again. So in this trade, I've already shorted 500 contracts. Can you see? I've already shorted 500 contracts. Okay, so I'm up like a little profits here now. And I want to see if I can short another 250 contracts. All right, I'm going to sell the stock because I strongly believe the stock has reached a supply zone that warrants me to sell another 250 shares. Right, I'm thinking to sell another 250 shares now. So it makes my total up like 750 shares. Okay, so let me just click sell. The price, this is the current price now. I'm just waiting for a little rebound. Can you see just move up a little bit? So this 250 shares, I will just click sell. I'm going to place my trade. All right, so I just finished a trade here, 250 shares. And so right now I have 200 total of 750 shares. All right, total of 750 shares that I'm planning to swing this short positions until Tesla reaches here. Until Tesla reaches around here, this region here. Until Tesla reaches here, I'll look to lock in my short-term profits, because right now, if I look at Tesla, there's a lot of profit taking, and there's a lot of gap up, and then it just gap down from bottom, it gap down from top. There's some sellers going on, and I thought the best would be taking a short positions. Of course, can you see all these mini fluctuations up and down? I just have to endure the ups and downs and wait for Tesla to sell down, and that's where I look to lock in my profits. Right, so I'm shooting this video live, and I hope you will learn as much as possible in this video of how I take a position. And can you see my current loss is about 1.447, 1.44k. All right, so I'm currently in the loss now because the spread is a bit wide. Not wide, sorry. The spread will always win the game, but I'm not looking for any short scalping trades, but rather I'm looking for something that allows me to capture the bigger movement on the downside. So around here, about this region, I will look at Tesla, how it performed, and then I'll decide to lock in my profits. Yeah, guys, take a look at this. So it's like almost midnight, 3 a.m. Shorter Tesla right here, about 750 shares. Can you see Tesla is slowly tapering off? It's slowly coming down. Can you see all these bars here? It's telling you it's very, very bearish. The stock has no strength to move further, and hence a lot of sellers. So I'm checking how much more profits I'm making now. Wow, take a look at this, guys. I'm just making 3.4, 3.2 USD. So what I would do is, I'll try to close my position. Okay, I'm not going to follow my game plan today. Well, let me take some profits, and I think it would be good if I can lock in live profits in front of all of you at 3 a.m. And I'm going to share with you guys how I took this trade, and it shall be a good profits towards the end of the day. All right, so I'm going to close. Wow, guys, I just netted 4,500 Sing dollars. Right, I just netted 4,500 Sing dollars, and Tesla just tumbled. All right, so it was actually supposed to be a a short-term, sort of like a short-term towards swing trading. But because I saw that the stock was pretty strong at this area, and hence, when the stock collapsed near this area, I thought it'd be wise if we can lock in first. So as it slowly starts to come down further, but that's fine because I have a game plan. My game plan was to short around this region where the buyers were not strong, and well, when the sellers start to set in, which is happening right now, it'd be good if I can lock in profits first to avoid any mishap. Second thing is, because I took heavy positions, which is about 750 shares, I thought it'd be wise if I can let myself ease my mind, let me sleep earlier, and so far, like I said, I netted $180,000. All right. So Tesla was a good stock. Tesla is really a good stock, and you can see from the 5-minute chart, there's so much bearish signals. 1, 2, 3 bearish signals before the stock collapse, right? And the volume surged. Can you see the volume surge here? The volume surged big time here when the stock collapsed, which indicated there was some selling that was going on, right? Now, as for why I'm so confident to short 750 shares was because I saw many bearish signals, 1, 2, and I think the key towards shorting the big position was here, around here, when I see there wasn't any strong buying after all this week selling. There wasn't any strong buying, which gave me the confidence to go much bigger than I thought I used to. So normally I would go like 500 shares on this, but can you see Tesla started to rebound near this very short-term demand zone. So as much as I wanted to swing towards this region here, I thought it'd be wise to let this stock rebound a little bit more. Then I look for another bearish signal, and then maybe I short all the way down, and I might cover along here again. But I think the key thing is, it's my first shot in Tesla, and I think it would be wise if I can lock in some profits first, so that the next time round when I short this stock, or the next time round when I trade this stock, I have more confidence because I already made one round. I have more profits to cover any loss should any mishap happen. All right. So this first profit gives me confidence to go more positions the next time I take a trade in Tesla. Right. Very nice chart. Very nice 5-minute chart. A lot of bearish signals. The stock was very hot for the past 2 weeks. Look at this. The stock was very hot for the past 2 weeks. It has been rising non-stop. So I guess profit taking will appear. A lot of players will look to take profits here. So don't look to chase after stocks like this because you will pay the price later on. But instead look to short sell the stock, because every skillful trader would know you buy on declining prices, and when you sell on rising prices. That's the game, and that's the way how I trade for many years. This makes me successful for, I don't know, so many years. And I treat the stock market like my ATM, and that is why I don't draw money from the ATM teller. I draw money from the stock market consistently. All right, so I hope you learned something in this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. But never forget, bearish signals are all along Tesla's chart, especially the 5-minute chart. Okay guys, so I hope I learned something. I'll end this video, and it's another good day for me. $4,000 live. My account is up 180k. Let me check. I'm going to show you guys my trade history. Okay, so I lost some money. Recently, I lost some money in the crude oil. I went to long. I lost about $3,000, and then I was pretty upset. So I went back to fight. I made money in what's this stock? Overstock, and then today Tesla, right? So I can be losing money, but well, some days it's just not my day. But it's good that I can recover back all my funds again. All right, guys. So drive yourself, treat yourself good, find good stocks, find good signals to long or short, and then execute and act on it. Okay, you see Tesla was rebounding. True enough, it touched this demand zone. I took my profits on this red color bar. And now the bar turned green. So 3 a.m., 3:10, maybe 3:10 a.m. is a good day for me. I'll need to go and sleep, but definitely sleeping with 4,500 Sing dollars is absolutely a good feeling. All right, thank you, and I'll end this video. Bye.